Hi, I'm Phillip Shum here from the CSE. I'm here with Julius Kalcevich from iAnthus Capital Holdings, Inc. Welcome.
Thank you, Philip. Thanks for having me.
I was wondering if you could tell us a bit about iAnthus and what the company's all about.
No problem. So I've been with iAnthus now the better part of 4 years. I first came in representing an investor group, and I've been full-time with the company as CFO and a board member for the past 2 years. We are a owner-operator focused on the U.S. licensed cannabis market. Plain and simple, we want to own licenses to either cultivate, process, or dispense, vertically integrated. And right now we're in 6 states. In the U.S., we're a publicly traded company, and we were the first kind of U.S. licensed cannabis operator actually to list on the CSE.
Oh, wonderful. So what has been done in 2018 thus far?
Yeah, 2018 has been a very busy year for us. We started the year in January. We acquired one of the 13 licenses in Florida. There's only 13, so we're one of 13 that had a 200,000 square foot grow facility. We acquired that in January. We acquired a license in New York State at the beginning of February. And then in the beginning of May, we closed on a $50 million US transaction of financing from one US investor, one of the largest sort of US focused funds on the cannabis market, Gotham Green, based out of New York.
Well, that's awesome. So tell us a bit about your business strategy and how do you anticipate you're going to continue to grow?
Sure. Yeah, and our view is there are certain core states that right now are must-have for iAnthus or for any operator. And the states that we're in, New York, Massachusetts, New York, and Florida specifically, those 3 are absolutely must-haves. And there's some others out there on the radar that we're going to continue to make sure that we're expanding into. We're in a $50 million person addressable market right now, and our view is we want to double that or potentially triple that. So we're very active on the M&A front, and we just see it's a land grab right now. We have a very capable team that's focused on expansion. There's going to be a lot to sort of watch for us this year.
Okay, so moving forward, next 6 to 12 months, what can investors kind of expect from you guys?
Sure. I think what they can expect from us is they can expect continued M&A. I think that's going to be something we're all focused on. They're going to see massive operational updates from us. We have spent the last year and a half acquiring licenses, starting to build out stuff. At this point, we are ready to start opening dispensaries. You're going to see a huge host of dispensaries open in the back half of the year. We just opened our flagship dispensary in Boston. You're going to see stuff opening in New York State and Florida throughout the rest of the year. And the other exciting thing is going to be from a regulatory perspective. Everyone knows the midterm elections are happening in November in the U.S. Perhaps the White House is in a little bit of turmoil right now. We believe that there's going to be a lot of movement and a lot of exciting things to watch on the regulatory front that are going to be positive for this industry.
So you're a CSE listed company. Tell us about your experience with the CSE at this point.
Sure. So we we're coming up on our 2-year anniversary of being a listed public company with the CSE. Our first day of trading was September 7th, 2016. So of companies like ourselves, people who are a Canadian company focused on the U.S., in this sector, we were the first guys to be out there. There's obviously been some imitation and some other guys following the trail that we blazed, but I have to say this CSE has been incredibly user-friendly. There's been great support. They're thoughtful. They're innovative. They're very focused on entrepreneurs. They're focused on companies like us. We have to say that it has been a brilliant fit for our business plan.